Introducing the Hallmaster Grain Cart from Elmers Manufacturing. The Hallmaster is at the top of the class with capacity and build quality. Elmers as a company is committed to maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction and experience. All equipment is tested to meet the high demands and expectations in the farming business. Elmers continues to meet the needs of today's farmer. And with the focus on producing only the best and most durable equipment on the market, we bring you the Hallmaster. With capacity ranges from 850 up to 2,000 bushels, the low-profile, heavy-duty frame makes for the most user-friendly and dependable grain cart on the market. Dependability is achieved by a focus on mechanical engineering paired with Elmers on-farm testing. Elmers' exclusive tracked undercarriage allows for increased capacity and flotation, helping you get the job done faster, more efficiently, and in all soil conditions. The Hallmaster uses an advanced track system that utilizes 36-inch wide tracks that are 378 inches long, giving the grain cart the largest footprint in the market. The Hallmaster uses large 16-inch walking bogies and a hydraulic tensioning system that applies over 1,500 psi, keeping the tracks performing in all conditions. The track system is supported by full idler and mid-rollers that increase flotation and reduce wear and tear. The tracks have less moving parts and require less maintenance than the competitors' steerable axles. Elmers' track material and tread profile was developed in partnership with Camoplast to give you the most reliable track on the market. Elmers' Hallmaster tracks are designed to tackle the toughest field conditions and increase capacity. Track features include a reinforced undercarriage that can support full loads in tough ground conditions. Hydraulic track tensioning keeps the grain cart running true and balanced on uneven ground. Pivoting mid-rollers distribute the weight of the cart when making turns and navigating difficult terrain. With Camoplast rubber and over 9,500 square inches of ground contact, you get the most durable tracks on the market without creating ruts and berms in your field. Our small frame models, 850, 1,000, and 1,150 bushels, boast 18-inch drag augers and 20-inch vertical augers. These carts also feature ultra-flight cupped flighting for over 50% longer life and increased unload speeds. Our large frame models, 1,300, 1,600, and 2,000, utilize a 20-inch drag auger with a 22-inch vertical auger. The large frame carts also feature ultra-flight for decreased wear and fast unloading. Our augers are designed with high clearances for unloading into any truck available today. The hydraulic spout control is standard on all carts, complete with an LED lighting for the guys running the late shift. Large 36 by 24-inch cutout window on the front and back of the cart for high visibility. The entire underbelly of the grain cart opens for superior full-length cleanout. It makes cleanup between crops fast and simple. No matter what color you drive, green, red, or blue, Elmers has you covered. Elmers Hallmaster can be outfitted with an optional Digistar onboard scale system. Choose between the simple GT400 readout or track individual field and load weights with the more advanced GT460. The optional 10-ounce Mickles roll tarp has got you covered when you need it. Contact your local Elmers dealer for more information on the Hallmaster grain cart or visit our website at www.elmersmfg.com.
Introducing Elmers Super 7 Hybrid Harrow. Elmers' exclusive 7-bar configuration, combined with half-inch by 22-inch tines, provides a fine field finish, while accomplishing 40% more harrowing per pass, allowing you to prep seed beds in the spring and manage straw in the fall. This makes Elmers Super 7 today's most versatile harrow. The Super 7 Hybrid Harrow allows you to control the height, tine angle, and section angle hydraulically from the comfort of your cab, giving you 3-dimensional adjustability, adapting to any field contours. Elmers Super 7 is engineered for simplicity and durability. Maintenance-free nylon bushings, heavy-duty frame construction, and large 2-inch knuckle pins make for one of the most dependable harrows in the market. The Super 7 Harrow features the flexibility of a unique horizontal parallel linkage, full contact harrow section, and 3-section mainframe, which allows you to tackle any field conditions. By combining the exclusive 7-bar configuration, parallel linkage, and in-cab hydraulic adjustment, Elmers Super 7 Hybrid Harrow delivers overall better value. It's not a heavy harrow, it's not a light harrow, it's a hybrid harrow. Elmers Super 7 Hybrid Harrow. Elmers, maximizing your return through innovation and design. Introducing Elmers' new Transfer Track system. Elmers Transfer Tracks feature Edge Track technology, which allows for increased capacity, flotation, and durability, and are designed to utilize your track investment year-round. By using your original 10-bolt AG hub as a pivot and mounting point, rather than spinning on it like competitors' bolt-on tracks, Elmers Transfer Tracks can ensure performance with less maintenance and no necessary hub upgrades.
Our goal with the transfer tracks is to allow farmers to use it just about anywhere on their operation. The key point here is that they are utilizing this asset more than one time a year. So typical examples would be air carts, liquid fertilizer caddies, and hydrous caddies, and then also using it again later on in the fall with your grain cart application.
Two 46-inch 15,000-pound idling wheels and two 16-inch pivoting mid-rollers provide a smooth suspension-like ride no matter the terrain you're tackling, spring or fall. Elmers has worked with Camoplast rubber to develop an exclusive low-profile track lug pattern. This design assures minimal field disturbance or berming of the soil and better flotation, solving compaction problems in spring. Track tension is important in the performance of any track system. Elmers Transfer Tracks feature a hydraulic under-accumulator tensioning system which keeps a constant active pressure on the tracks and keeps the tracks running true and square to the undercarriage. The Transfer Track system uses the heaviest pivoting mid-rollers on the market. Dual 16-inch 7,500-pound pivot rollers individually roll over bumps to help distribute the weight of the load, evenly reducing compaction, increasing durability and stability, as well as providing a much smoother and quieter ride in all conditions.
When we found out Elmers builds these tracks that will bolt right on, we approached him and got a set. And this year, there's no marks in the field where we went, whereas last year the duals just cut 3 to 6 inch ruts in the field, and with the tracks there's absolutely no prints.
Elmers Transfer Track system is low maintenance and requires no special tools or gauges, and is simple and easy to use. To remove the tracks, simply place a jack under the main axle, depressurize and remove the hydraulic coupler for the hydraulic tensioning system, unbolt the tracks from the hub, and using the built-in pallet fork slots, simply lift and remove the tracks. Get the most out of your track investment year-round with Elmers Transfer Tracks. Elmers, maximizing your return through innovation and design.